Everyone, I will show you today a microscope, its part and how to use a microscope. Microscope is the instrument which is used to magnify the images of very small object, and this is the light microscope, also called compound microscope. Light microscope, first part of this important part is the base. This is the base of the microscope. This has to be placed on even surface. This base is having one arm or the limb. This is the arm of the microscope. This arm holds body tube, stage and the substage. This arm is having upper part called body tube. This is the body tube. It is having at one end eyepiece. This is the eyepiece. It magnifies the image which is already magnified by the objective lens. This is eyepiece. On the other end of the body tube there is a objective lens. These are the objective lenses which are put on the revolving nose piece. This is the revolving nose piece. These objective lenses are of different magnification. 10x, this is the 10 times magnification is there. Used usually for the low power viewing. This is high power objective. 40x means 40 times magnification is there. This is the 100 times magnification and used for the oil immersion purpose. These are different objective lens put on the revolving nose piece used to magnify the image of the slide. Another part is the stage. This is the stage of the microscope on which we put slide. To put the slide, we have the clips. These are the clips by which we put and hold the slide over the stage. This can be moved horizontally side to side by these knobs. These are the knobs by which we can move horizontally slide side to side and fro and back movement. This is the movement done by the knobs on the stage. Below the stage, this is the substage, consists of condenser. This is called the condenser with the diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. We can open and close or adjust the diaphragm to allow the light which comes on the condenser to illuminate on the center of the stage, having aperture through which light is illuminated over the slide. This condenser can be moved by the piston. This side it is having the piston through which we can move the condenser to adjust the light coming to illuminate the slide. For the condenser, we always keep in the natural light whole diaphragm open. Below the condenser there is a mirror. This is the mirror. This mirror has plane surface and the concave surface. Plane and the concave surface. Plane surface or the plane mirror is used for the natural light and the low power. Concave lens put the cone of light which came on the center of the concave mirror. In this way we can adjust the light from the natural source or from the artificial source and focus it on the center of the stage over the slide. Now we will see there are the knobs are there, focusing knobs called focusing knobs. This is the course adjustment knob. Course adjustment moves the stage up and down. Ideally, we should keep the stage up near the low power objective and then move below like this to prevent the breakage of the slide. Another knobs are there. This is the fine adjustment knobs. These are the fine adjustment knobs. This we use for the high power magnification. On low power, usually we use coarse adjustment knob, and for high power we use the fine adjustment knobs, which causes the fine sharpening of the object, and this causes the coarse magnifying the image or the adjustment of the image. Now I will show how to put a slide on the stage. This is the slide. Here is the cover slip. We can always put the slide with cover slip facing upward. We put this slide over the stage and fix it with the pins. Now we adjust the slide by moving horizontally the stage and bring it near the center aperture. This is the slide we adjusted over the stage. Now we can adjust the plane mirror with the whether it is natural light we use or whether we use the artificial light. Adjust the light and see under the microscope whether light is sufficient on it or not. First, always focus the slide with the low power. Always focus the light with the low power and move the stage with coarse adjustment knobs to focus the image of the slide. After adjusting and seeing the slide, we can adjust with the high power objective and then only moves fine adjustment knobs instead of moving coarse adjustment on 40x high magnification, only moves fine adjustment knobs. This is of the natural light coming light microscope. In some department there is also available inbuilt light microscope in which we plug in the microscope and artificial light will come, and that will be same way operated as other normal light microscope.